Where is the engineer? Please put small volume. You know, this is campaign period. I don't want to shout too much. We have covered over 12 local governments. I don't expect me to be shouting. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Adia State. Your Excellency, the Right Honorable Speaker, members of the State Executive Council, members of the Assembly, our royal fathers, our mothers, our youth, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first and foremost advise that comedian who just finished performing. He said everything I said. I say, you must go. Be careful. Be very, very careful. I am dealing with politicians. They are crying. You. If I touch you, you will know that something touch you. But that notwithstanding, we are here to celebrate. And of course, we are gathered here because of a young man. I sat backstage and I've been hearing a lot of people say good things about him. And then he said his father is here. This is the only child that I see that him and his father are almost the same age mate. But it's okay. Everybody is father. Everybody is father. Father, come on, father all of us. But that notwithstanding, the young man is doing very well. And when somebody is doing very well, you tell the person is doing very well. And so I'm here because M.O.P is doing very, very well. He came from Lagos, even if he's a Port Harcourt boy. He lives in Lagos. And when he came here, he came to my house. And he told me, he said, I want to do my show here. I said, no problem. After all, you're a Port Harcourt boy. Don't be so. Don't be so. And I promised him that I was going to be here. I know they're here. I know they're here. Who is your brother? Who is your brother? Who is your friend? Not those that will tell you they will come and they will not. A biggie man, a biggie man. A biggie man, a biggie man. A biggie man, a biggie man. No never says biggie man, a biggie man. Biggie man, a biggie man. In River State, we always support our own. That is why, as the governor of River State, it is my duty to protect life and property, and to protect you people, and to deliver the dividends of democracy. And that's why it's everywhere. Is the dividend of democracy not showing everywhere? Look at the whole town, very beautiful. Flyover 1, flyover 2, flyover 3, flyover 4, flyover 5, flyover 6, flyover 7, flyover 8, flyover 9, flyover 10, flyover 11. We will continue to win them. We will continue to. Because let me tell you, I don't have problem with anybody. Life is about you balance things. People will say, I don't balance things. Listen. Life is I cannot be in water and soap before my eye. It's not done anywhere. It's not done anywhere. Take one, give us one. Don't take all. That's being greedy. I close my mouth.
Agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement. Make we do wetin you talk, we come begin change the month. Agreement is agreement.
That's their business. If they like, let them not do what we are saying. Election is on the 25th. We will go there, all of us will dig it out. Because they cannot oppress me. And they will not expect me to close my mouth. Come on, God, woma dole wa.
Owa bundole ndole.
Come on, God, woma dole wa.
Owa bundole ndole.
So don't fear. We will go out for this election and we will win. Not be so. Don't worry. Melembe. Melembe. We know what we have. Even them, they know what we have. It's not this one they are running up and down. Fa fa fa.
Yes, so we get pepe demo. Pepe demo. So designers pepe demo. Pepe demo.
If you didn't dare,
I am so happy to be here. It is a thing of joy that we are here to celebrate with one of my sons. Put your hands together for M.O.P. Clap for M.O.P. While I was about coming, they said, and I'm coming to Port Harcourt, and I heard that we have a lot of people here. Equequeno. It's a question, And I also heard that M.O.P invited some Benin people. Baba took by ye. A lot have been going on. They are telling me, I will be the president, I will Emelokan. It is my turn. Even Buhari, who put Buhari in power? Me. I'm also a city boy in Lagos. That's my name. He came to me crying. I told him, Buhari, don't cry. I'll make you the president. Today is not a president. Buhari failed with Jonathan. You know what they call F11. When somebody fails all the courses, F9. He failed. Then Atiku will come and be speaking Muslim. Walai, talai. He is trying to tell you people, na lie, I lie. So when you see Atiku say, walai, talai, tell him, na lie, you lie. People have been asking me, Mr. Excellency, what will you do to the youth of Nigerians? I have promised the youth already. Turn all the so-called Yahoo boys to turn them into experts in creating and manufacturing chips for that Dazan. A dead fish is not sweet in the soup. They are dead, and we share them. He said there's no job in the country. Who said there's no job? Employ more than 50 million youth. Put them in the army. What to eat will not be the problem. Our farmers will make more money. Cassava, gari, and I keep telling people, I see a lot of people that are short. They are behind. But one thing is for sure. No matter how short you are, when you get out, you see the sky. The past government, they spent more than $60 billion. They forget that the transmission line is a super highway. They couldn't even make a down payment for a roasted corn. They are talking about electricity. We brought electricity to Nigeria. We are even yet to generate electricity to even roast barley. $60 billion they couldn't pay for a kilowatt energy to even make a popcorn. I belong to a party. Every day they're asking me, what's your party? What's your party? What's your party? Where's the DJ? DJ, play a song for me. I want to dance. Stop the song. Stop the song. The stage is shaking. Is shaking. A lot of you have graduated for long and you are still working. But when I come into power, it will be 4 years course for 4 years job. 7 years course for 7 years job. That is why we have a lot of dropouts, graduates outside. Let me tell you. I want to tell you a story. The story is about the animal kingdom. All the animals say na their wife bad pass. The tortoise, the lizard, the frog come say na him own, na him bad pass. All our oppositions na their own bad pass. when I traveled, before I leave, let me say this. That whatever you are doing, you should understand that the sideways is different from when you look upward behind.